Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo codes on my prison Roblox. So it is very easy to do. What you need to do is simply open up any browser and then open Google, and from here simply search a prison promo codes, and at the end of this query simply add the name of current month, the current year, and after this you can open any of them, any of this website. So I'm going to open up this website. Once opens up, what you need to do is simply scroll down a bit until you find a my prison codes section. So from here you can see that they have listed many promo codes, such as this first one will give you 300 cash, second one will give you also 300 cash, and then this fifth one will give you 875 cash. So what you need to do is simply select any of this code and then copy it, and then go back to your Roblox player and open up your my prison game. From once it has been fully loaded, what you need to do is simply click on this manage button at the bottom, and from here simply click on this promo code section, and here simply paste the code you have copied and then click on this redeem button. As you can see, we have received 500 cash. So in you can repeat this process and copy another code, and then again paste it here and click on this redeem button, and you can see this code has been expired. So just paste the code and see what works and what's not. So that's how you can redeem or get promo codes on my prison. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.